Hello guys, how are you all? Pocket Option is a great platform for trade because it's giving you a lot of things. It's giving you a achievement and more. And there is because this platform I prefer because it's you can there is a lot of indicators you can find, and there is technical analysis you can mark this from here. Okay, trend line, horizontal line, vertical line, as you want. Okay, so it's a good, I prefer to sign up on Pocket Option and trade on Pocket Option. Okay, it's a right place for you all. Okay, you need to join in the Pocket Option video link. You can find the video description. Okay, thank you. Now I am giving you a trade for some. uh, Here is the parallel channel I put here. I am in the 30 seconds candlestick. Okay, and I there is, you can mark here. Okay, this market stuck in some time in this area, so there is it's making like maybe it's making like should be M. Okay, like this and like this. Okay, there is, it's make like this, and it should be reach here. Okay, so it's like this. So I'm finding a good movement, so I'll come down for the some couple of trade. I mark the line here. Okay, it's make like M here, so there is, it's uh, following the trend. So let's see the if it's follow or not follow the trend. Here is the win here. Okay, I'm in profit now. The because it's a trend line here, market touch here, so it's make shadow here, so it's go up. It's touch here, so it's go up. So now it's touch here and it's make shadow here, so now it's going up. Okay, so not take the trade here, here. Okay, because it makes some red here, so you will be lose here. Okay, so you need to take the near your entry point is your mark the trend line, there is the entry point. Okay, you take the trade here. Okay, so I'm find the another moment for you guys. Here guys, I took the trade here for above because it's MACD is crossing each other and it's making some indicate to go up. But what's happening in this market today, today is a very difficult market. So let's see the result for its winning happening or not. There is a win happen here. It's a lot of two waiting for today, so I close for today. I winning two in a row, but the market it's too dangerous, so that's why I don't take the trade for more. So guys, you need to sign up for pocket option via link in the description available. Okay guys, and thank you, see you next video. Thank you.